What's going on? This train's going by. It's been already going by for about 2 minutes. It's been all freaking liquid tanks. I think it said gas on there, GTAX. Look, it's still going. I'm in Davison, Michigan. They must be trying to fix that gas situation. I don't know, earlier, strangely, a natural gas something blew up downstate, kind of down by my snow removal mafia area, and there's the end of it. There's some kind of natural gas explosion. I'm not sure on the details yet, but once again, I find this mighty convenient. And also it is look, right now we should see more gray terrorism than normal, for frickin', especially with parties involved. You know what I'm saying? For the overture, which means a kind of these little attacks on the infrastructure and the supply chain, basically, where you cause the other armies to have freaking stagnation. You know what I'm saying? Or you cause trouble for them so that, you know what I'm saying? It's not so easy to mobilize. But that's what a gray terrorism kind of situation looks like, is a natural gas pipe blowing up. But who does that ultimately benefit? It benefits the assholes actually here that are fucking making money off the gouging, the price gouging, and the gas hike. You know what I'm saying? Man, that's a big ass deer. Maybe that's the one that got smoked back there. Ooh, yuck. This is gonna F my freaking shoes up. But anyway, yeah, man, it's another little fucking report. That's freaking a lot of gas or liquid, some kind of liquid or fuel on the move there. Oh yeah, this is bad. Oh dude, the worst.